Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Modesty33 here, aka Crystal with a C, back at you with another video. But if you're new to my channel, you just happen to click on welcome. I try to put out videos once or twice a week. So I do sit downs, vlogs, reactions. We don't know yet. The verdict's out on the reaction, so. But I'm still gonna say reactions because there are reactions that are still on my channel. So if you do like reaction videos, I have reactions to Stranger Things, some to Legion, Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. So some of those reactions are still on the channel. I just don't know yet if I'm going back to them. But that's not what this video is about today, you guys. Today I'm doing an unboxing. But yeah, you guys, this is an item that was on my wish list. I told you guys I'm trying to branch out a little bit. I just got home, so if you see the little glistening sweat, that's why it is a bit warm out today. But yeah, I had to pop out real quick to go pick up this item. The sales associate told me it was in the store. So as I said before, you guys, I've already done my 2021 wish list. This is an item that was on my wish list. And I told you guys again that I was wanting to branch out and, you know, dabble in a little bit of this or that, you know, this year. So that's what I've done. I've purchased my first item from this luxury house, this powerhouse, which I read is actually doing better than like LVMH or Louis Vuitton. So they said Louis Vuitton or LVMH, which covers all the, you know, like little sister companies. I think Fendi, Dior might be under LVMH. I don't know what all stores. Y'all know. Y'all, if y'all luxury peeps like that, y'all know. But you know, I read an article that was saying that actually this particular fashion house, or it's not really fashion, but they actually pulled in more money than, you know, LVMH or Louis Vuitton this past year. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it, you guys, because I'm actually gonna have to go to work soon. So I just had to pop out and pick up this item and try it on, all that jazz real quick, see if I liked it, if I really wanted it, but I knew I was gonna love it. So yes, it is from none other than Cartier. Yo, I've just been learning about Cartier this year. I think a lot of more people have been kind of getting into maybe jewelry and luxury jewelry because of the fact that, you know, with quarantine and people being in, people find that they wear their jewelry more even at home as opposed to their handbags and maybe other fashion items that they haven't used as much this year, such as shoes and clothing and bags. I fall on the realm where I've used all of my stuff pretty much. So, you know, that's not really an issue for me. And then I've been kind of getting out more lately, as you can see with my vlogs. But I did want to start delving into jewelry. So, read a lot of good reviews. Cartier's very established house. So, again, we're going to do the unboxing. Maybe I'll come back in a later video and just kind of give a like updated review and kind of give maybe a little bit more information about this item. But for now, I just want to kind of do the unboxing, get right into it, and then we'll talk about it more a little bit later. So this is all the contents that I received. This is the bag. So the first red bag in the collection from Cartier. And y'all, I'm sorry again, like I said, I'm sweating out here in these streets. So let's pull out the first item. So first item in here, this my sales associate told me is a cleaning kit. So you use this to clean the item. So it does have like a little cleansing solution in here. Also like a little brush. So yeah, we did get that. And then yeah, the cloth here. So this is what I'll use to clean the item. So got that. Then we also got a few perfume samples, which are always nice. So this one is the Cartier Carrot, and then this one is the Cartier Le Panther. There, I don't know. But I'll have to smell both of these at a later time. You know, I can definitely consider buying. I heard Cartier perfume is very nice, so I definitely would consider buying them if I really like the perfumes. So we'll sample those at a later time and get back with you guys about those. But what I was really excited about, well, let me go ahead and unbox the item, and then I'll show you what else it came with. So this is the item here. So small box. So you guys, it is actually a ring. So it did come in this little paper wrapping here. Also, I think the certificate of authenticity is in here as well in this paper. Yeah, this is their certificate of authenticity. I'm not really gonna open and show that to you guys because again, it's, you know, authenticity. But yeah, it does come in like this really hard, yeah, right here. So yeah, this hardcover, and then yeah, it just gives you the certificate. It's stamped, so it's really cool and all official looking. Again, I'm not going to show it, but yeah. So I did do a little bit more research, and this is why too, whenever I'm getting into like a new fashion house, I prefer to go to the fashion house and really buy directly from there. I did look at like, you know, pre-love prices on Fashion File. However, they were about the same as retail. And then I don't buy pre-love from everywhere. And this is the box here, Cartier. Again, it is a ring. I don't buy pre-love from everywhere because like, I again did a little bit more research and I found out that a lot of Cartier items are actually like highly copied. So this is the beautiful box right here. And then it does open like this. Oh, I think that box is supposed to be closed. Opens like this. So slides out here. So this is the beautiful box that the ring comes in. I'm sorry, I know I've gone on for like 6 minutes. I haven't even showed you guys. And this is the ring here. So you'll see that there. I got the Juste Clou, the small size in the yellow gold. So that's what I got here, you guys. This is the size 60 because I have really big fingers now, apparently. So this is it right here, you guys. The thing about the Juste Clou ring, which makes me a little nervous because they can't resize it because of the way it's made. But that's what attracted me to the ring, the way in which it's made. It is Juste Clou, which means just a nail. And so, yeah, it's just very different from anything I've owned. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on now. Very different from anything I've owned and, you know, ever seen. So that's what was really attractive about the ring to me. And this is probably the finger I'm gonna wear it on. I'm gonna wear it on the left hand and probably either the middle finger, or it does fit on these other 2 fingers as well. But you can wear it this way or this way. And it is a little loose on the middle finger, but that's good because it's getting into like spring and summer now. So, you know, your fingers do swell. But yeah, the guy was telling me they can't size up or down this ring. So typically if people cannot fit it on any of their fingers at all, he was saying that they sell it and then, you know, they use the money to purchase, you know, their normal size. So yeah, it does fit on this finger as well. So I know I did try this size, which is the 60, as well as the size up. He was able to order that one. I think that one was like the last one in North America. So the 61, actually there wasn't a big difference. It did still fit on these fingers very well. It did give you a little bit more room, but not really anything significant. And then 2, which I'm hoping to at some point lose some weight. I didn't want to get the bigger size just because then there might be a really big difference as far as it fitting on my fingers. So yes, I really like the way this one fits. I did try on, and I don't know, I did do some like vlog footage of that, but I don't know if I'm gonna actually upload that. But I did try on the thicker one and it was just way too big. It looked like a snake was choking my finger out. That's what it looked like to me. Like, whereas I feel like this one is a lot more dainty. It's very pretty. Well, you know, you don't see it from the palm. But yeah, I just feel like this one's more dainty. It's just more pretty. It's more everyday-esque. So yeah, I really, really like this particular one. So yeah, also, here's the receipt that the ring does come with here. And it has like, just again, the receipt, my sales associate, his name. Again, I do have to work tonight. Otherwise, I would have looked at a few other items. So I told him I would schedule with him later on. It also comes with like this little dust bag here. And he initialed it for me. So that's really, really cool. So, I did not know he was going to do that, but he did that. So I have my own little like dust bag for the ring. You typically will use this like if you're traveling and you want to put the ring away. This ring is not leaving my finger if I can help it. It's not leaving my finger, so we probably won't get a lot of use from this, maybe for some of my other rings. So I just thought that was really, really cool. He did not tell me he was doing that. He's like, oh, I just got it monogrammed for you. But I really like the box. We're definitely keeping this box. We're keeping all of this packaging in case I lose like 100 pounds or something, which, no, I wouldn't lose 100 pounds. But, you know, if I lost like, say 50 or something, and you know, the ring was falling off, you know, you definitely want to keep all of your packaging if you decide that you're going to resell something. So I always do that. Yeah, so you guys, this is my first Cartier piece. Again, I'm looking at other stuff. I did try on the Juste Clou, the thin as well as the regular size bracelet, which yeah, those are stunning. Also, I think probably the next item I'm wanting to get is the small love bracelet, because I'm already thinking about like what kind of, you know, jewelry stack or whatever, you know, what situation I'm trying to be working with. So but it's nice to add on, you know, slowly and kind of, you know, when you reach particular goals. As far as, you know, where I am right now, you guys, I paid off my student loan. I'm gonna do a separate video about that, just kind of giving some tips. I actually got an email today from my loan servicer, and you know, they were like, oh, do you want to share your story of how you paid off your student loan? So I may do that, but I think I want to kind of formulate my thoughts and kind of put it here out, you know, put it out here first, and then maybe write, you know, that same sentiment down, and you know, just kind of go with it that way. But yeah, I did pay off my student loan from, you know, college. So I did just do that. Also, it was a good report this week that I did also get my licensure for my profession. I got my Texas licensure. It's been almost a year, you guys. Yeah, coming. So I did contact them this week. It is official. I have it. I'm waiting on the paperwork, but it is like up on the website. So I'm really, really happy about that. And then I also got like a increase on my job as well. So a lot of good things to celebrate. So yes, I just wanted to, I was gonna wait till my birthday to get this particular ring, but once I tried it on like a week or so ago, I was like, oh man, I kept thinking about it. And I'm like, I really don't want to leave you in the store. Like, I knew she was going to be mine. I don't know what it is, but you know how certain things people will talk about and they're like, oh, a ring, da da da. Like, you know, it'd be hype. And then you see it in person, you're unimpressed. I was super impressed with it. I don't know why, but it just is something so different. And so, yeah, I was super impressed with it. You know, I had vision. So, you know, I was like, yes, I want you home with me. So, yes. I will include the details below, you guys. And again, I'm probably going to do a separate video regarding like the student loan and all that. If you guys are interested, even if you're not, I still want to do that because I may put it on the website of my, you know, servicer. So that would still be good to do. And I know people are kind of in transition and in process. So maybe that might be helpful to some people as far as trying to figure out a process. Because a lot of people in my personal life did ask me like, oh, how did you do it? Or do you have any tips or whatever? So maybe there are a lot of people out here, you know, who are watching to, you know, you kind of have some curiosity or you're trying to meet certain financial goals. I want to put out that information, you know, just in case you're in that boat as well. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I have to get ready for work, but I did get all my stuff ready before I left. So it's just a matter of going across the table and getting my stuff set up. But I want to go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys because I wanted to put her on and never take her off. I don't know why, but I love it so much. Oh gosh. And I'm always checking out people's hands now. And I think because of the fact too, I had to end up like, I can no longer get my nails done for quite a while. I can talk about that later too, but yeah, I have a vitamin deficiency to where it was advisable to wait until my nails grow out to a certain point before, you know, just kind of give them a break, so to speak, due to the vitamin issue, so deficiency issue. So that's where I'm currently at. So I think that's why too, I was really wanting a ring or something, I don't know, just something new or something I can look at my hands, because usually I'll look at my nails or whatever, but now I can, you know, look at my ring and feel good or whatever, because I don't have, you know, colorful nails anymore. So, but anyway, guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for work. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure you do share it with anyone else who likes these type of unboxings. And also make sure you do comment below. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever thought about Cartier? Have you ever thought about luxury jewelry, anything like that? Are you already into it? I'm late to get to everything, so that's just me. But I was glad that at least this ring for me has some type of significance as far as again, paying off the loan, the increase at work, as well as the license that finally went through. So yeah, so I'm glad that I'll at least have this memory associated with this ring, and hopefully other happier memories with other jewelry pieces that I hope to get in the future. Maybe this year, maybe not, we'll see. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you do subscribe to the channel. It's completely free and it does help out my channel a lot. Also, make sure you do hit that thumbs up, you guys. I think I said that before, but make sure you do hit the thumbs up. It helps, the video as well, and other people to see the video and have access to it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I will see you in my next video and hear from you in the comments. Bye, guys.